Welcome back now. Thanks for staying with us. It appears the series between the West Indies and Australia will be able to go ahead after all 152 persons directly involved with the series returned negative PCR COVID-19 tests on Friday. The status of the remainder of Australia's tour of the West Indies was thrown up into the air on Thursday when it was announced that one person connected to the teams had returned a positive COVID-19 result just before the start of play of the second ODI at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. TVJ Sports sources later revealed that the COVID-19 positive case was a non-playing, non-coaching member of the West Indies setup. But in a release on Friday, CWI said all 152 persons tested, including members of the West Indies and Australia teams and coaching staff, as well as match officials, event staff and the TV production crew, were tested back at the hotel, with everyone being in room in isolation since. They've all returned negative tests. CWI will now meet with Cricket Australia, the Barbados Cricket Association and Government of Barbados officials to agree when the series can resume. The series was being played under strict biosecure protocols. TVJ Sports also understands that all the Australian cricketers and a majority of the West Indian cricketers are fully vaccinated against COVID-19, while the rest have received at least their first dose of vaccines. After this series, the West Indies are due to face Pakistan in a 5-match T20 series, followed by 2 tests. Pakistan arrived in Barbados, where the first 2 T20s are scheduled to be played on Wednesday, after their tour of England. Australia are also due to have a tour of Bangladesh following their tour of the West Indies. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.